Hello students, welcome back to your favorite channel Conceptify Chemistry and Maths. In today's class we will understand one of the most important topics, circle. So what is circle? A circle is a closed 2D shape where every point on the boundary is at the same distance from the fixed points. It is a 2D shape where every point is at same distance. Point is at same distance from a fixed point. Fixed point. And this fixed point is called center. Fixed point is center and the constant distance is known as radius. And the distance is radius of the circle. Now circumference of a circle. Circumference of circle. Circumference of a circle, it is a distance covered by traveling once around a circle is called the circumference or the length of the boundary of a circle. The distance covered by traveling the one round. If you cover this one round, it is circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle is it is 2 pi r, and circumference of semicircle it is pi r plus 2r. Now circumference of quadrant of circle. Circumference of quadrant of circle. Pi r by 2 plus 2r. It is circumference of quadrant of circle. 2r. Now number of rotations in traveling a certain distance. Number of rotations of a wheel in traveling a certain distance. This distance traveled by wheel by circumference of wheel. Circumference of wheel. Now area of circle. Area of circle is the space occupied by the circle, and area of circle is pi r square, where r is radius. Now area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is half the area of circle, that is half pi r square. The area of quadrant of the circle. Area of quadrant of circle. Area of quadrant of circle is 1 by 4 pi r square. Now we come to area of ring. Area of ring. This is ring. This is center O. Inner radius is R and outer radius is capital R. This is A and this is B. Let R be the inner radius. Let R be inner radius and capital R be outer radius. Outer radii of ring. So the area of ring will be area of ring is equal to pi r square minus r square. We can also write this as pi r plus r and r minus r. This is the area of the ring. Now sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. the region enclosed by two radii. This is circle and the region enclosed by two radii is sector. This is also the sector and this is also a sector. This is minor sector and this is major sector. The region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc of the circle is called the sector. Two radii and the arc is called the sector. So here one is minor sector and another is major sector. The sum of the areas of major and minor sector of a circle is equal to the area of the circle. After this we have length of an arc of a sector. Length of an arc of a circle. So this is a circle O, A, B. This is R and this angle is theta. The arc corresponding to the sector is called the arc of the sector. If the radius of circle is R, then the angle of sector is theta. If the radius is R, then angle will be theta. So length of arc. Length of arc of sector. It is represented by L, which is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi R. By R. And area of sector in terms of length of arc. Area of sector in terms of length of arc will be 1 by 2 L R. Now area of sector of a circle. Area of sector of a circle. Let there be a circle of radius R, having a minor sector with angle theta. theta. So area of sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of major sector will be pi r square minus area of minor sector. And area of minor sector is pi r square minus area of major sector. After this we have segment of a circle. Segment of a circle. The region bounded by chord and the corresponding arc. Is called segment of a circle. So in this figure, the shaded region is segment of a circle containing the minor arc APB. And the segment containing the minor arc is called minor segment, and segment containing the major arc is called major segment. Now the area of segment. Area of segment is area of corresponding sector. Area of corresponding sector minus area of corresponding sector minus area of triangle formed by the chord. And radii. Formed by chord and radii of circle. And radii of circle. And area of major segment. It is pi r square minus area of minor segment. And area of minor segment pi r square minus area of major segment. So some of the common mistakes are using diameter directly in the formula. We have to always convert the diameter into radius, and sometimes we confuse r square with r into 2 and forgetting units. So this was the complete concept of area of a circle and its formula and its formulas. So if you found the explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Conceptify Chemistry and Maths. Thank you.